Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up footprint charts in GoCharting. First, open any chart on the platform. You can use any market or instrument you prefer. Once your chart is visible, move your cursor to the top of the screen and find the chart type drop-down menu. Click on it, and from the list of available chart styles, select Cluster. Keep in mind that cluster or footprint charts are advanced features, and they usually require a premium subscription. As soon as you select Cluster, your regular candlestick chart will change into a footprint chart. You will now see numbers and blocks inside each bar. These numbers represent traded volume at different price levels. This view helps you understand buying and selling activity in more detail. Now for a quicker setup, right-click anywhere on the active cluster chart. A menu will appear with preset options. You can choose Delta Profile to focus on the difference between buying and selling volume. You can select Bid-Ask Profile to see how orders are distributed. Volume Profile shows total traded volume at each price. Lopsided Footprint helps highlight imbalances in the market. You can also customize order flow. Choose whether you want to display bid and ask values, delta, or total volume. Then enable imbalances to highlight strong dominance at certain price levels. A common setting is around 400% for active markets. Next, click on the gear icon at the top right. Go to the order flow section from the left menu. Adjust the tick size to control how much detail you see. Smaller values show more detail, while larger values smooth the data. By adjusting these settings, you can fully set up your footprint chart. Thanks for watching.